road go? Oh no, it's a bridge. Blind summit, perfect. Oh yeah, that's a great place to go past cyclists.
Oh, I think that bridge part as well too. Can you slow down this bridge? I don't know if you can.
Oh, there's a sheep in here. Did you see? He squeezed under. Oh, 25 degrees. Oh, 25%. Bloody hell.
How do coaches
See
get?
this?
I like it.
Go on, God.
Eh.
National speed limit. Fuck off.
Fucking careful sheep though.
There's no way I'm going
You need
national
to say
speed
you've got the
limit.
sheep and then that clip.
Roundabout onto Northampton Road.
I knew you were going that way. You're not supposed to go that way. Oh my god.
Fuck off.
Such a fucking idiot biker. Be sensible.
Like, that is not filtering.
That's being an idiot. Weaving in between traffic like that. It's dangerous.
Unicorns. Scary unicorns? Yes, unicorns, which belong in nightmares, not fairy tales. Began life in 2013. They were shunted aside for a legal career. But she made a clean break. She went on a creative writing course. She had a creative writing master's at Cambridge University. She studied as an undergraduate. She resurrected Scandar, created the bidding war among publishers for the right to chronicle a world in which the random.
I know you've just passed, but I mean, come on.
Because they could be easily deadly, aren't they?
Don't pull out on people on roundabouts.
Do you want me to like,
Rather cringy, isn't it? If commitment's your thing, download the match app today and start something real.
A new season is here on Now TV. New stars and bigger moments.
Don't go, don't go, don't go. Why are you trying to turn right from there anyway?
Sometimes when I go running, people.
Does that?
Oh fuck!
I'm fine.
What the fuck are you doing, you moron?
What? What are you
I think
moaning
that's
at?
Phil's fault.
Not you, I'm checking a taxi.
What? The taxi had to stop for the traffic.
Yeah, but he had another. He stopped really suddenly.
No.
That was in 6 feet in front of him.
Phil was just wanting to ram him in. I think,
No,
I think you should do that as well.
I did cut it a bit close.
Get off my arse! Fucking idiot.
mate. If you're that far out, just keep going.